Alright guys, we're gonna do some springs today. So I got Truhart springs for their, I think it's FC3 technically, 10th gen Civic. Pretty pumped. I'm excited to see how they do. I was told, or I read online, that springs are kind of the way to go with these cars and not coilovers. Possibly, I don't know. That's what I've read. To avoid error codes or anything, and just for, it lowers it exactly where I would want it anyway. So with that, I was able to pick up Truharts. The only reason I went with Truharts and not D2s is I had an eBay gift card, so you know what I'm saying. Yeah, I'm gonna throw them on. Shouldn't be too hard. I'm starting with the rears first. I would assume it's the easiest. Drop lower control arm and throw it in. So, what do you think?
I like it. And guys, my mom sent up my new pool.
Very fancy.
Daddy and Mommy are the best parents ever.
Ever. You heard that? Ever. I'm not going for stupid low. I'm just kind of going for like tighter suspension because we're gonna get this bad boy on the track. This is like the easiest install I've had so far. I shouldn't jinx it, but super simple to do. It's just taking me a little longer just because I'm obviously filming and going back and forth with the fam squad. So, but I'll get it done by the end of the day, hopefully. And yeah, it's a beautiful day. I'm hyped, dog, man. All right, guys, I'm having a moment. Monica just came out and was like, "Are you lowering your car?" And I'm like, "Maybe." I was like, "I'm just lowering it a little bit," but she was like, "You did this with the last one, or with when Lena was born." And now it's like, I just realized when Lena was born, I had a white EG 4-door, and I was like dead broke, had nothing to like nothing going on for me. I was just working at, where was I working at? I was working at this mail room, doing nothing with my life, and I had a white Civic. And now 6 years later, 3 months before our next child, I'm bringing the next one into the world again in a white Civic, but SI, lowered, simple mods, but it's a moment. It's cool, it's exciting. Wow, just the rear's done. Super happy where it lowered it at. It's like perfect. It's probably still settling, I would assume, but man, that is golden. That's exactly where I would want it to be at anyway. So I'm gonna try to bang out the fronts. Hopefully they're not too bad. Alrighty, I got everything apart. I just got off the phone with Caesar, and I think I'm gonna cut a little bit off my bump stop, just because he said it's more so for when the car is lowered, it'll smack the bump stop and then eventually disintegrate it if you don't cut it off. I didn't cut it off in the rear, which I kind of regret, but maybe I'll take it apart again, the rears, and cut it off. It shouldn't be too hard. But I'm gonna cut this off right at this first lip and then assemble it back together. So I think it wasn't too hard, but it was all right. I always find like 240 suspensions a lot easier than Hondas because they don't sit in a fork, and to get that fork off is like sometimes a pain in the butt. I don't know how the spring got over here, but so we're almost there. We're getting there, just little by little. I'm gonna zip through them and I'm trying to get this done within the next hour, so that way we can hang, take it on a drive, see how it does, and It's not bad, but the rear sits perfect. So just ate ABC Chef Boyardee and feeling rejuvenated. I think I just need to eat. I haven't eaten all day long, and sometimes I start to get exhausted. I'm like, got to go longer. Mucho better. It's like perfect. I'm sure it'll settle in just a little bit more, because I literally, but it's even right now it sits perfect. It's just like pretty much just no wheel gap, which is perfect. I am pretty freaking pumped, guys. It's like literally exactly what I want. It's so perfect on how it sits. Like, just, you know, just enough. And if I get wheels, I know it'll make it pop even more. Yeah, I got these new hats in. I don't know when they're gonna be on the website. They might be on the website right now. If so, I'll make yes, I don't know. Side note, we're getting some new product and I'm waiting for new sweatshirts. And these hats came in first, which is surprising. Usually they come in at the same time, but I'm super pumped. I just went with like the simple blue. I don't know, I just keep doing this. I like it. Hopefully everything's tight. I think I did. I try my best to get, I've gotten a lot better at working on cars when it comes to tightening stuff. If you know me, I'm notorious for not tightening things down. Let's see if I broke anything. Didn't tighten up the one sway bar end link all the way. It worked. It freaking worked. It did it. Let's see. Hold on. Hit a bump. Oh, actually smooth too. All right. All right. That's sick, man. I'm hyped. It's so dope. Super dope. Works perfect. No noises. I think it was just my one end link. Dude, I'm so hyped. So hyped. It looks good. I'm gonna do like a little cinematography, a little bang bang with my other camera. I'm gonna go grab it. But I'm beyond happy with it. These are Truharts. I guess just lowering springs. Hold on a second. You might fall. Oh, no, turn on red. Not bad. No noises at all. Sick. I want to say I can't feel a huge difference in stiffness. It feels a little stiffer, but the stock springs are actually like, this is one of the best stock suspension I've ever had in a car. Like, I had no complaints with the stock suspension, even though it's stock shocks, but like overall the drive was always smooth. So, oh, dude, I'm so pumped. All right, let's do a little cinematic bang bang. All right, we're gonna do a family cruise and then probably milkshakes. I want to go to the car wash, just like a quick one, like a drive-through, John, just to kind of so it can be fresh and clean,
It's just great.
I don't think so. How does it feel?
Feels good.
Feel like standard, like stock?
Yeah.
It's because I didn't do anything.
What do you mean you didn't do
I'm just kidding.
It feels smooth.
Right?
Not like the Camry where it's
That's what I'm
making
saying.
random noises.
It feels good.
The Slammery.
The Slammery.
I actually like this car.
That's what I'm saying. I didn't want you to get like.
Oh, they're four-wheeling.
Look, no dash, no lights on the dash. It runs smooth.
Yeah, it's nice.
Hit a bump.
No, I don't want to hit. Oh yeah.
Boom, boom, boom. It's day 2, and honestly, I think the spring settled just a little bit more. And because we went on a little drive yesterday, I'm loving the height. Loving it. Absolutely loving it. It's perfect. It's perfect. I love everything about it. So, I just didn't make an outro for this video. I'm about to go to Monica's pop's house to cut his hair. And probably just gonna go back. The video's like halfway edited. I just have to finish up the cinematic scene that you already saw. But it's always tough to find a good song. Something that bops and hits to the clips that you like. It's like the hardest part is finding the right song. But with that, I love you guys. Holla at your boys, man. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like it, please. And yeah, new hats will be available soon. I don't know when to put them up online. Probably once I get the sweatshirts in, I'll drop everything. So, as always, make sure follow us on Instagram, UniteBecause_, and then check out the website. We have a few new products, and we're still working on getting the new sweatshirts in, so that way we can put up the new stuff, yeah, and all that stuff. Little plug, dog. So holla. I'm gonna go drive because I could usually take Monica's car, but I love, like, it's amazing how just loving your car makes you love the car you have. Like, I peeked outside the window like 7 times today just to look at it. It looks good. I was looking at wheels last night, and I don't know if I should just wait for the wheels I want or just get wheels on it. Because, like, it's basically wait to get the wheels I want, but yet pay pretty much double in price regardless, or just get wheels that'll work. So I was looking at like Avid ones, AV26. 26 is like a skinny 6-spoke, and I love them, but it's just kind of standard. And I really want VSKFs on this. Frustrated because I found some on eBay for stupid cheap, and then by the time I hesitated, it was sold. Like, I saw it, I was like, I'm gonna be good, and then an hour later they were sold, and I was like, ugh. I don't know whether to just wait or just throw wheels on it. Post in the comments below. You think I should waste money on, should I spend money on wheels, or just kind of like continue to mod it otherwise? I feel like wheels make a car though. Like, get some good wheels. Yeah, we'll play it all year. I'm honestly just modding this car as I get gift cards. So, alright guys, I love you so much. Holla at your boys.